Hello everyone, welcome to Trends and Support. So last week we got a slightly positive upside movement, that means a relief movement towards upper side, and yesterday we got a more positive breakout. That means the continuous Nifty was falling. You can see this one, it was falling continuously, and here there was a slightly divergent. It was falling downside, but the RSI it's showing some divergent to upward. So that day I mentioned the last day that we may get a positive upside movement, and on Wednesday we got that one the upside movement, and yesterday also we got slightly. If we hit here, that means 24,870, then we come down, then there might be another negative downside fall, but we cross this line. That means this was the falling channel resistance line, so we cross this one. That one is also showing a positive upside movement, and the breakout has done here around 24,840 range. This was the here 840 to 845 range. This was the breakout last day, and after that you can see the movement towards upper side, and here that means around 24,870. If you look at this small time frame, don't mind about this too much line, so I'll delete some of this, and you can see this small time frame, it was like a cup and handle. So here this was the cup and handle breakout. So, and that one also a good sign for the upside. The upper side resistance now come around 24,940 to 950 range. Then this can move here, that means around 24,978 to 980 range. So this could be a this may be get a resistance here. Above this one we can see an upper side towards 25,050 range. So that's for Monday, and this could be a little more stronger resistance here. This might be a resistance, and you check here, you can see this Nifty was forming here this pattern. If this one is following, then that is a head and shoulder pattern can form here. So the resistance might be here 25,050 to 25,000 range. So if this one this range get hit, and if this one move downside, then this pattern will be active. So careful for this next movement of this pattern. So this is like a inverted head and shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. This can move this way, this up to here. That means around 24,430 range, or otherwise 24,240 to 200 range. So the upper side we already check, and the downside, now the downside support is coming here. That means around the 24,840 the breakout, 840 to 820 range, the breakout support line. This line will act as a support in the in Monday. Then there might be some other support here. It will come here around 24,750 range. So this 24,750 range will act as a support. If we not hold this one, then we may see a downside, more downside movement towards 24,660 range, and this can fall here. That means around 24,600 to 24,560 range. So the support is here coming around 24,750 range, then 24,820 to 840 range, and the upper side this is the another support 24,870. If we sustain above this one, then we will get an upside movement towards 24,940 to 950 range, then 980 range, then after this one 25,050 range. So that's it for Nifty in the Monday and coming days. And if we close above 25,050, then it will open upside movement towards 24,250 to 420 range. Now let's go to check Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty yesterday last week video I mentioned that the support is and close also very good. And see that the breakout, we got a slightly positive breakout here, that means this one, this line, and the support now around 55 400 range. If we sustain below, then we will move here, that means around 55 160 to 170 range. And this, if we cross this one, that means around 55 640 to 650 above, then we will move towards here, that means 56,000 and 56050 range. Then this can move towards 56 to 80 to 300 range. So I hope you get some idea of bank Nifty levels. And the last day in the live session also I will mention that it will move towards 55 620 range. Then we made a high around 6160 range. So that's it from my side of bank Nifty and Nifty. If you like this video, you can share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any enquiries, you can ask me in the comment box. You can trade according to these levels for the higher target, or and using support as your stop loss. Thank you for watching.